gravel crunches under our tires tonight. Stars burn brighter without the city lights. We planted dreams where the meadow sways, found a peace we lost in those restless days. Morning sun spills gold on the old oak tree, and the quiet hum of life sets our spirits free. Neighbors wave from a dusty lane, every hello feels like a sweet refrain. We traded chaos for the steady glow of a love that deepens as the seasons grow. 'Cause all I need is your laughter close to mine, coffee steaming as the dawn birds shine, barefoot walks where the wild creek bends, building a life where the road never ends. All I needed, the simple truth we found, roots run deep in this hallowed ground. Yeah, after every mile we roam, home is here and our hearts have grown. We've learned that fortune fades like the evening sun, but these quiet joys can't be undone. Children's voices chasing firefly trails, stories carved into cedar rails. Every heartbeat tells a tale we know.